Delight. Such a word. I mean, right now it's spring, and when I look outside, there are new leaves growing. They are fresh and tender. My neighborhood is filled with wild flowers of orange and yellow, and the there are these calla lilies all around. Everything is fresh. Everything is new. In fact, in India, some parts of India, New Year's is celebrated at this time. It's not on the first of the year. And it feels so appropriate to me because it's as if it's the birthday of Mother Earth. And we are celebrating everything springing from there. And there is this festival of colors in India where, people dance to music and sing songs and apply colors on each other. And it's bringing that joy and the delight, which is already being expressed outside, inside of ourselves. How does it feel to you?
Yes, I've been playing with this myself recently, and delight feels to me as if there's just no effort whatsoever. I can just rest in being me. And I've been quite curious about being able to experience delight at the same time as experiencing some pain and suffering. It's not exclusive. I don't have to be one, I don't have to be other. It's almost like it's there for me to just relax into that simplicity, that real deep, joy.
Lovely. I'm so glad you said it the way you said it, because, before coming to the realization process, I would feel like, oh, I have to first get rid of all my trauma and heal and become this calm, composed, serene person. And then maybe I'll experience delight. And through working with Judith and Roma, it's like, no, Roma uses the word that delight can slither in anytime. Joy can just slither in and in the midst of everything. And that's what I'm experiencing as well.
Oh, that's wonderful. And, I was thinking about what I was doing yesterday and just playing with. I just put some music on and I found myself singing along. And I must admit, I even got up and had a bit of a dance. And that brought delight to me and to my husband, who found it quite amusing watching me and listening.
Lovely, lovely. It is amazing, through the realization process and just deepening this feeling of delight. And it's not like I'm trying hard to hum and dance and move. It's just coming through me.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, in that sense, this experiencing delight as part of the Unity and Community series is such a wonderful experience for us to deepen that feeling and get more into it, more feel the delight in our bones and tissues. As the striving and the grasping goes away, it's just this wholesomeness, this contentment, the satisfaction, and the delight emerges. And we are celebrating together both the inside and the outside.
Yes. We really hope that you take this opportunity to experience this joy and delight.
Yeah, you can see how excited both of us are. And don't miss this opportunity, as Louise said. I hope to see you in the series.